For workplaces where respiratory protection is required, there's plenty of different options, including disposable respirators, reusable respirators, and products like this. This is what we call a powered air purifying respirator, or PAPR for short. This one is the 3M VersaFlow TR300. There's a battery-powered blower unit that filters particulates from the air and pushes the air up through a hose up to a headpiece. There's a variety of headpieces available. This one incorporates a certified hard hat and an impact-resistant visor. Normally somebody wearing a respirator would need to be clean shaven for there to be an effective facial seal. A loose-fitting headpiece like this on a PAPR unit is an effective respiratory solution for somebody with facial hair. The positive pressure generated by the PAPR unit is greater than the pressure outside the respirator. PAPR units like this are used extensively in industries where asbestos or silica may be present. They're used also in the medical industry and other high dust environments. The 3M VersaFlow TR300 PAPR unit. Contact your local SafetyQuip branch for further information. If you'd like a SafetyQuip team member to come out to your workplace in one of our workplace safety vans to talk about this unit or other workplace safety needs, speak with the team at your local branch to book it in.